There's something so nostalgic and indulgent about cinnamon rolls, and when you make them into pancakes, it is pure breakfast magic. This recipe incorporates C60 Power cinnamon coconut MCT oil, plus organic apples for a boost of health benefits, whipped cinnamon butter for sweetness, and pecans. You can also use walnuts for added protein and crunch. This is perfect for a cozy morning treat. Good morning, ladies. We are going to get our day started with some delicious and nutritious pancakes. And what are your favorite pancakes to make?
The cinnamon roll pancakes.
That's right. And we're going to amplify these cinnamon roll pancakes with C60 Power's MCT cinnamon and coconut oil. And we're also going to amplify it with some added protein with some pecans. You can also use walnuts if you want. We're going to have some fresh apples, organic apples on top. We're going to whip up some butter with some C60 cinnamon coconut MCT oil. And then we're also going to use my favorite pancake mix. Now, this recipe calls for eggs or an egg, but you do not have to use it if you're using something like Living Prana, which not only is vegan and you just add water to make this pancake mix, or milk in our case, because we're still wanting to amp up the protein in our pancakes for a healthy, energy-filled day, but it also contains lots of adaptogens and superfoods to help keep our brains boosted all day long. So this, powered with the C60 cinnamon MCT oil, is going to give us all the energy that we need for an amazing day. Right, ladies?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get cooking. So the first thing we need to do is pour in the pancake mix. Bryn, do you want to pour in the milk for me?
How much, all of it?
All of it. There you go. So we want this pancake mix to be a little bit thicker than normal. Perfect pancake mix. All right. Now we're going to make the pancakes. Okay, we're going to come over here. And I have a little bit of butter in the pan. So you always want to use medium to medium-high heat with your pancakes. And then you wait for that to bubble up, and then we will we'll flip them. In the meantime, we can make the whipped butter to go on top, because everything's better with butter. So we're just going to put a little bit of C60 oil in with the butter. It's a teaspoon. We can speed this up. Someone grab me a plate, please. And then I'm just going to whip it up. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. Whipping up the butter. Woo-hoo. All right. So I'm just going to put some pecans. Apples. And a little bit of butter on top. And then we're going to drizzle some more C60. There we go.